I will show you how to replace the engine air filter on a 2016 through 2023 Toyota Tacoma V6 step by step. The air filter housing is located right here on the driver's side of the engine bay. Start by loosening the clamp that secures the intake hose using a 10mm socket. You only need to loosen it enough for the hose to slide off. Now let's go ahead and release the two retaining clips that hold the upper air box to the lower housing. I am leaving the mass airflow sensor connected, but if you prefer more working room, you can disconnect the electrical connector first. Just remember to reconnect it before starting the engine. You just need to press on that part of the connector that I'm marking on yellow and pull. Now carefully slide the intake hose off the airbox. At this point, all we have to do is lift the upper housing and remove the old engine air filter. This is a good time to inspect the housing and wipe out any dirt or debris. When installing the new air filter, just make sure that it sits evenly all the way around the sealing surface. Before closing the housing, make sure these alignment tabs at the back fit into their slots. If they are not properly seated, the housing won't seal correctly. Reconnect the intake hose, tighten the clamp, and if you disconnected the mass airflow sensor, don't forget to plug it back in. Give everything one final inspection to make sure all clips and connections are secure. One useful tip when tightening these clamps, make sure you first go down so that way they grab on that bottom tab and then you will go up. That's it, your new air filter is installed. If this video saves you time or money, consider subscribing. The next time you need a repair guide for your Tacoma or any other vehicle, it will be much easier to find my channel. Thank you for watching.